I think my hat is meant for a child. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. We are a quarter of the way through Vlogmas. That's crazy to me. That means we're really almost to the big day. I wanted to talk today about holiday giving, specifically organizations that I like to give back to this time of year. And I was kind of on the fence about making this video because I wasn't sure how to do it in a way that didn't come off like I was looking for congratulations for doing this. But I did want to share ultimately because the organizations I'm going to talk about, they're still looking for people to get involved. So I wanted to let you know about some of these organizations that I think are great, how I get involved, and I'm going to link everything below that I talk about in case you want to get involved as well. So the first group I'm going to talk about is the Junior League. I have a family through the Junior League, and this Christmas I'm going to be fulfilling their wish list. And I really like how the Junior League does it because you can go online and you can see their lists of families, and you can look at each family specifically and see the different family members and what they're looking for, and that way you can pick a family that you know you can meet those needs. So for instance, I'm doing this by myself, so I chose a family that I knew I could handle this family on my own and I wouldn't be overwhelmed with it. I know a lot of people like to do this in a group, and so maybe you could adopt a larger family and maybe a family that has a more extensive list. I wanted to show you the stuff that I bought for the family that I'm involved with because before I had ever done this, I wasn't sure what to expect, and I thought it was going to be a lot of toys and wish list items, but it's really a lot of practical necessities. And to kind of find these items, I shopped Black Friday. This time of year you can find great deals on the sort of stuff that I needed to buy for this family. And for instance, they requested bedding, and Target had 60% off bedding on Black Friday. They had a teenager. The teenager asked for a set of towels. Towels were 60% off at Target. So I'm going to show you how it works. You put all of the items you're donating in a clear bin, and before I drop this off at the location, I will put a label on it. The family has like a digit code, so I'll put my family's code on here so that I know everything's going where it needs to go. And then I got items like coats, boots. Again, I got these I think for $6 on Black Friday. There's a toddler in the family, that's what this is going to. They asked for just winter clothes for the toddler, so I got things like sweatpants and gloves. Really great deals. My code of conduct when I'm doing something like this is I don't buy and donate anything that I wouldn't buy and use for my own family. I'm not buying the cheapest item I can find. I don't want to buy junk, but I do want to shop deals and make my dollar go further because then I can donate more. I got some pants for the littlest girl. Target had toddler pants on sale for $3 on Black Friday. So yeah, really practical items. I got a toaster for the mom, that's what she wanted. And then what I really like about the Junior League as well is they include, with the information, they tell you the family's local grocery store, so you can include a gift card, and they really encourage people participating to include that gift card, which I think is great because now not only do you know that the family will have something wrapped under the tree Christmas morning, you know you're taking sort of the pressure off that grocery bill for the month. And us moms know food on the table, that's the top priority above all these other things, right? So I think that is a really wonderful organization. I'm going to put a link for the Junior League below in case you want to look into it. Like I said, they are still looking for people to participate. I checked the site yesterday and there were still families up there that nobody had volunteered for yet. So I will put that below. I'm also going to put information for the Boys and Girls Club of America. Boys and Girls Club does something very similar, and I think that the Boys and Girls Club of America has more locations nationwide than the Junior League. My neighborhood actually gets involved together, 100 of us, a big group of us, to donate to the Boys and Girls Club and do this same thing, pick out a family and fulfill their wish list. And again, it's the same kind of thing. It's very practical things, sheets and towels and coats and boots, stuff that you can find great deals on this time of year. So I'm going to link both of those organizations below, and I'm also going to talk about some toy drives. I know a lot of us donate to toy drives this time of year. One that I'm doing with my daughter through her school I wanted to talk about because I really tried to think about how to get my daughter involved with this. She's only 3, so a lot of the concept is over her head, but I did bring her with me, and what I did was we went to Five Below. I sort of had in mind that I was going to spend about $20, so I let her pick out the toys to donate, and $20 was really far at Five Below. We got 4 toys, and we got great quality. Like I said, I'm not going to buy and donate junk. I wanted to get really great toys. Now, I let her pick them out. I will say that I sort of gently nudged her in certain directions because, you know, if I left it up to her, she would have maybe just bought like ice cream shaped bath fizzers. But Five Below had some really amazing toys for Christmas time. I got blindfolded Twister. I have no idea what that is, but it sounds totally fun. This would be a great thing to play with your family on Christmas morning. This looks awesome. It's a build your own lightsaber. So you get like different pieces and you can put it together in various ways. I mean, what 6-year-old wouldn't want to open this on Christmas morning? Again, just $5. This is awesome. I got Mario Kart Monopoly. I didn't know that was a thing. The Monopoly pieces are actually the different Mario Brothers characters. There's Princess Peach. That brings me back. So really, really cute. There's one other one somewhere. Oh, we got headbands. You guys remember when headbands was like super popular? I think 8 years ago. My sister was a kid and she wanted headbands like the year this came out, and you couldn't find it in the stores. Do you remember that? Five Below has it now. This is a great game for younger kids. So 4 really high quality toys, I think. And like I said, I let my daughter pick them out. We've got them in a bag by the door, ready to go off to school. She knows that we're going to take them with us, and I'm going to let her actually put them in the bin at school. So I really wanted her to be involved. I want it to be something she remembers doing growing up, because then hopefully it's something that is kind of instilled in her, and it'll be a quality she has into adulthood. And then finally, there is another toy drive that I like to donate to, and because I know throughout the year that I'm going to do that, I always have my eyes out looking for great deals on toys that I can donate. So I picked these up, I think last spring. I got them at Target. They were originally $15, it says here on the back, and I got them for 90% off. So they were $1.50 each, and I bought every single one that the store had. It's like a Star Wars magnet art kit. I don't know, you open it up and there's a book inside, and on the pages you can move magnets around. Super cool looking. I got these. They were originally $10, and I found them on sale at, I think, Walmart for just $1. And again, I bought every single one they had. It's a big like art palette. It's Finding Dory, and you get sticker pages and activity pages. I've got these like little Ninja Turtle Lego kits. Some sort of Monsters High doodle book and diary. I don't know who a lot of these characters are, but I imagine that if I was a child, I would. So yeah, because I kept my eye out looking for stuff that was great deals, at the end of the year, I've got two big bags full of, I mean, at least 50 toys here that we can send along and feel really good about. Like I said, I like to donate stuff that I find to be high quality. I don't want to just buy for the sake of buying. I'm looking for good quality toys, but at a discount, so that I can donate even more this time of year when so many of us are enjoying excess. It feels good to first sort of pay it forward and try to help somebody else, and then it feels even better to enjoy your own holiday. I don't think that giving is a completely selfless act. There is an element of selfishness in it because it feels so good. So I wanted to share these organizations with you in case you want to get involved. Everything is linked below, and please, in the comments, let us know if there's an organization you like to give back to, so maybe we can look into it and learn a little bit more. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember, I'm doing Vlogmas, so hit that red subscribe button to follow along. A new video every day in December leading up to Christmas. I will see you